Hello, Year 9, welcome back. It's Mrs. Tung here. I'm going to talk you through your Week 2 lesson for seasonality and fruit and vegetables and why it's important to eat them when they're in season in order to stay healthy. So the first question I want you to think about is, what are seasonal foods? Seasonal food is the time of the year when food is at its best in terms of flavour or harvest. Local seasonal food, so that means food that is grown nearby, it's fresher and it's cheaper, it hasn't had to travel as far, it's not been stored in a warehouse losing its nutrients. Why is it important to eat the seasons? There's lots and lots of different reasons. To save the planet, to reduce CO2 emissions, to reduce our carbon footprints. It supports the local economy and local farmers. It reconnects with nature's cycles and the passing of time. And most importantly, the seasonal food is fresher because it hasn't had to travel as far, and it tends to be tastier, and it's got lots and lots more nutrients in it. So your first task that I would like you to do is, on a piece of paper, produce a simple mind map, maybe using the template that's on the screen, and show me what do you think is in season at what time of year. So just on a piece of paper, maybe A4, copy out that mind map and show me what fruit and vegetables do you think is in season at what time of year. So pause the video and have a go. Brilliant, well done. If you could upload your work, and I will have a look at it and feed back to you. The next few slides, they're also on the PowerPoint that accompanies this video, goes into this in more detail. So we've got different foods that are ready to eat in the different seasons. So we've got lots of different fruit and vegetables, they change, and we've got seasonal fish and meat as well. Now fish and meat tends to be available most of the year round, so it doesn't apply as much. But fruit and vegetables, they lose their nutrients very, very quickly if they're stored for a long time. So there are 4 slides for winter, autumn, spring and summer. And what I would like you to do for the next task is, you can produce a table or a chart to show what foods are in season and when. So you can do this in different ways. You can have a very, very detailed table that you've got a column for summer, spring, winter and autumn, and you list the information that's on these slides. Either rewind the video, pause it, or use the PowerPoint that's with this video for this session. If you Google seasonality chart for fruit and vegetables, you'll get very, very complicated ones like these. If you want a really high grade, you can produce a really detailed one. I don't want copying, pasting from Google. You have to produce your own and upload it so I can check. If you're struggling or you're a bit stuck, just choose 3 possibly vegetables and 3 fruits from each season and do a much more simpler chart. And you can have pictures of the different fruit and vegetables instead of lots and lots of lists and colour codes, whichever one works for you. Okay, so have a go and upload it, and I will feed back to you later. Good luck, Year 9.